Hey everybody, this is Robert from Asia Pacific Gardening. This video we're going to transform this to this. So when we get the material pre-bonsai tree, we need to find out the negative part and try to clean it up. And we not just take a tree and immediately just pot it. There's a lot of beginners they like that and did not study the tree, just pot it, and even they pot it in the center, they're not looking at the angle. So what I like always to try to clean up, you can see the tree, a lot of crisscross in between and so many branches, we probably not going to use it. So we want to limit it. Anything from this direction go in, or anything from this direction go in. Even you turn the other side, anything go in, that the one you want to limit it. I prefer, if possible, if you get the tree, clean it up before you put it in the container like this. Of course, you maybe got the tree already in the container, that's a different way. But today, because we have the tree, a new tree treatment, so this is out of the pot, so I prefer to clean it up by hand like this, so you can easily to looking at the angle to cleaning up. Like very good example right here. See, this one here is crossing with this big branches right here. You can see here, I'm going to limit this one here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and same thing right here is crossing with this. You see here, this is O, so we don't need this one. So already open up. This one here growing inside, try limit it a little bit. And also you're looking at here, see 1, 2, 3, and crossing with these branches right here. So where we not did pruning, probably this one here. Oh, right now I'm looking at these branches right here. Look at this here, inside here. It's really bothering the tree and taking the space too close each other. And I will take it out, this branch off, okay?
Hold the big one in the middle.
Yeah, the big one in the middle. But let the camera take a look here. You can see here, let me hold this. This branches here is taking the space in between. And also let's take a look from the other side. See here, we can wire this down, but this one going to fighting with the apex on the other main tree right there. So I'm going to remove this. You can take a look how much different.
And that's hard to see on camera because you're looking at a flat surface. It's so much different in person.
Okay, I'm going to cut this.
Huge difference. Look at that.
See, open the space. Then we can consider limit this, limit this, limit this, and this one here. Of course, I'm front of the tree is quite different than you watching from the video. We try our best, and the Nolan that do the video already try our best to let you working on it. Again, right here, this one tree, one branch, 2 branch right here, and this one lower branch is smaller than up right here. I'm going to remove the small one. Clean, right?
Nice.
Everybody have a different angle to looking at the tree. Another branches right here. This one we can wire right here, or we can remove it. We don't need to do it right now. Let me turn the other way around. See here, if you're looking at the tree, it's not character, but if you can wire, open up, that would be nice branches open up like this.
Nice. Do you decide the position of the planting now or after you prune?
After we prune, and we try to use the tree, the character of the tree, the movement of the tree, to try to develop as best as possible. This one also getting inside. This is too much. Of course, I'm looking at from this angle is quite different than camera guy, okay? Otherwise, I'm going to working like this. It's hard for you guys to looking at.
Let me get a closer look.
So already open up. Remember this big cut is very important for the whole design. And I see this. So this we can be wire like this down, and all small branches, a lot of the branches right here, we can remove it. This one, again, don't forget, if you're looking at this, you cut this one, is not going to super glue back. So I'm thinking about this, bringing down like this and bring down like this. And if we have this bring down, let me hold this. So look at this, 1, 2, 3. This is too much in between. It's taking the space, because now without the leaf, you okay. But when the leaf come out, grow back, this would be really full. So I decided take off this.
The middle one?
The middle one here.
It's like a maple.
Yep. Like this, and just a clean up, do some cleanup right here. We already pruned some of the important big branches, remove it. Now I try to use the wire, put couple branches in the position. Like example, this one here. This one is hitting up. And if you not pay attention, you probably just click right here. Actually, this is really nice branch right here. So I'm going to wire and bring it down like this. So this one bringing down like this, and that the wire can help. This is the one. Second one, if you're looking at these 2 branches right here, and I'm going to remove this one, open up like this, okay?
Oh, I'll see. Okay.
See right here, instead to remove it. But when you remove this, you can see this is no branch right this side right here. So we're using this, and this is like, if you're looking at this is negative, that's why we try to fix it. Of course, you can cut it off, or you can change the branch in the different position. Let's do these 2 branches right here, wiring. So I start wiring this branch right here. Let me turn the back side. You can see this branch, because they turn to the light, so hitting up. So, and we want to bring this down, and this one here, want to twist a little bit. I'm hopefully not break.
Don't snap it.
See, it's open up, and we can do a little bit zigzag right here. This is the one. Looking at the very low level right here, this is 2 branches right here. Let me turn slowly. You can see it'll be like this. I don't know how much you can see. And from here you can see there's a lot, almost like a 1 branch, but I'm going to do open up. See here?
It was parallel.
Weak. So we take it out like this. Now we already open up. Pretty much the position we want, and these 2 is fighting each other right here. So I'm going to cut back a little bit. This one a little bit confused. And this one up again, right? So if we can apply 1 wire and turn this down like this, would be looks better. Let me wire this one. I apply the wire, 1 wire with this branch right here. I try to bring this down and try to fix this problem. I'm maybe using this as apex, like this.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, let me turn this Now, let's bring down. Remember, this was up right here, and this one, I want to bring. Oh, it's dangerous.
Oh my goodness.
So, this is the tree position. Then pretty much you don't want to wire all of them if you don't need it. You can wire again after you pot it. Like example, you have a container like this. What you want to do is many options. But I saw another thing we need to take care of that, because this root is too much root right here. Okay, I tried to clean it up, open up the root right here if I could. We don't need that much root right here, because this root system is already good support to this, and we don't want to use this to taking the space off inside the container. Okay, this tree root right here is covered up. It's hard to water the soil inside right here. I tried to select one of them, take it out. This is good one. This is the big one right here. So I'm going to take it out, the big one right here.
Ooh.
Here you go. See here, this is dunkel again. We don't need that much. Sorry, my hand may be on your way.
And some people may be wondering, how much of the roots can you cut? How do you answer that?
1/3.
1/3 of the roots.
Yeah. As long as you're not cutting too much from this area on the bottom right here, you can cut to reduce the longest root right here. Otherwise, this would be taking the space when you put in a container. Of course, if you want to design root over rock, like example, put the rock like this, that would be a nice idea too. And it depends what you want to do. Look at this. If this is the rock, that would be really nice.
Yeah.
Growing like this, like a tree growing in the mountain, right? Of course, we want to looking at the angle. Earlier we talking about the angle at this angle, but this angle is not bad too. Many options.
Let's do some designing.
We're going to find out how to upgrade this tree to better value. Looking at the nice root right here is really strong root system here. You can see like a root over rock, like earlier we talking about, like this. Of course, you need to find the right rock. That's the most difficult part. And front of me right here, we have one rock. There's some good character. You can do. I think this is the good angle right here. Let's see. Let's try. Let's try.
It's like putting on a hat.
You can looking at from this side,
Oh, that's pretty cool.
or looking at from this side. But make sure all this root system here, you get planted in the ground, in the pot with the soil. And of course, we can cover up this first for the certain time to make sure this green all leaf out, and then we continue the training down. I think this is the position I think would be good looking. Let's find the pot. I tried to using this rock to pot it, and you can see from the different angle. And this is a long root here. Long root here is good enough for to grow the tree. This is the pot I'm going to use it. Of course, we have plenty of the container to select it. That's easier for us to have the nice design. Looking at this right here, of course, we don't have a soil yet, but I would like you to look at it from the different angle. We have some space right here. I think this tree would be showing the character with this rock, with this container. Let's try to pot it. This is approximately, we're going to pot it like this. So I like the angle of the wind from that direction. I'm going to add some soil. We're going to pot it, the soil a little bit higher for the training purpose. Of course, in the future, when the root already developed and the branch, all the leaf up, it looks better. And we can wire this up a little bit. Like I say, after wire that, and we can continue to training the tree, make a different position like this one here, maybe bring down a little bit.
Let's add some moss and really bring out the piece.
Okay, this is the finish, what they look like. Of course, the tree can continue to training with. You mentioned here, this is really low. So we can training this up a little bit and using the other wire. Or we can remove it, is we just keep it like here first. But the nice root system, nice rock combined together is really showing the character of the tree. This root here with the rock is really showing the art of the tree from both sides. I think this tree can looking at from either side, this side or this side. It's all good, but the rock right here you can continue to working with. Hopefully we can raising up the rock a little bit, maybe another inches up, but talking about 2-3 years later. This is what they look like right now, and
today is August 15th, and this is the condition of the tree. We'll continue to post updates via shorts so you can see how quick this thing leaves out.
That's for today, and hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let us know what you want us to introduce to you. So see you soon.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching this week's video, and be sure to follow our content for more updates on this tree. If you're wondering, how come there's no leaves on this tree? This tree looks dead. Well, we made a video on that, so click the video on the screen to learn about why tropical trees can defoliate like this and how fast it all comes back. See you next week.